Today, at the end of the 20th century, the world is completely different from what it was 100 years ago. People live longer and survive better. However, functionally compromised consumers, due to either age or disability, are increasing in number. They constitute a significant part of the population and are potential consumers of design. Another major segment of this population includes children, baby boomers, teenagers, adults, disabled people, and individuals inconvenienced by circumstances. As all consumers deserve the equal recognition and respect, facilities, devices, and program must be designed to serve the needs of a diverse clientele. Therefore, universal design is one such concept that provides a blueprint for maximum inclusion of people. According to the Ron Mace, universal design is the design of products and environments to be usable by all people, to the greatest extent possible, without the need for adaptation or specialized design. The objective of universal design is to simplify life for everyone. It meets its objectives by making products, communications, and the environment usable by the maximum number of people regardless of age, ability, or, at minimum or no extra cost. Universal design is an approach that originates from the belief that a wide range of human race is ordinary and not special. It accommodates the needs of children, disabled and older people, and also other who are physically or mentally challenged in some way. For example, labels on stereo equipments that can be read by someone with low vision are convenient for everyone to read. The volume control on public telephone enable everyone to hear in noisy location. To design a product for a broad range of users with increased usability and without increasing the cost, it is essential to follow the universal design principles from the conceptualization of the design. If the circumstances change at later stage, application of universal design principles reduces the need for design modification due to the changed. These principles can be applied to the design of many products and environments. The following 7 principles of universal design describe the characteristics that make design universally: equitable use, flexibility in use, simple and intuitive use, perception information, tolerance for error, low physical effort, size and space for approach and use.